Hey friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we will do the unboxing of TP-Link AC1750 Wi-Fi router. We'll do the setup as well as check the Wi-Fi speed on the later part of the video. Stay tuned. Before I do the unboxing of this product, let me tell you about the specification of this product. This is a dual band Wi-Fi router. They claim to have 450 Mbps speed on 2.4 GHz band, which also has a wider range, and 1300 Mbps speed on 5 GHz band. The price mentioned in this box is 10,999, but you will always find very good discounts when you buy online. I got it around 4,200 rupees with an additional 10% discount on my HDFC debit card. So actually I paid around 3,800 rupees on this box. Let's start the unboxing. So here are the stuffs. This is the main TP-Link router. Then we get the adapter here. Then an additional LAN cable. And we have the user manual and the password for the Wi-Fi setup. Let us check the ports available in this router. So it has 3 antenna for better range. The first port is the power port, where you will connect the power adapter. The second is the on and off button, with which you can power off and on the router. It has also a reset pin, a USB port, internet port where you will connect the boardman LAN cable, and it has 4 ports for wired connection. So if your device doesn't have wireless connectivity, you can connect it with the LAN with these ports. It can support maximum 4 wired connections. They have provided one more button, WPS Wi-Fi on and off. So for this functionality you can check the manual. If you have a UPS power backup for router, you can connect the UPS with this router with the LAN cable they have provided. So let's proceed to the setup now. I have a broadband connection of ACT with 75 Mbps speed. So let's connect the power port first. I'm connecting the LAN cable. Switching off the router now. You can see the light of the power router is turned on. So now I don't see any Wi-Fi signal here. So for that you have to press this Wi-Fi button here for at least 5 seconds. So hold it for some time. Now you can see the Wi-Fi signals is turned on. The orange in this symbol means the internet is on, So when everything is green, that means the router is now ready and we can connect to the internet. So now that our Wi-Fi setup is done, we will try to connect our device with the router now. So I am connecting my Mac device with the Wi-Fi. So let me on the Wi-Fi now. So you can see there are two Wi-Fi IDs. One is for 2.4 GHz band and one is for 5G GHz band. First let's connect to the 2.4 GHz band. So I will click this. I will type the password which is provided in the box. Click join. So you can see a green symbol in the globe, so that means the internet is connected now. So the first page opened is the TP link page where you are asked to change the password to connect to the internet. So let me give a password. Click get start. You can select the time zone. Ours is Madras, Kolkata, Mumbai, Delhi. Select that. Click next. Click next. Next. You can change the name if you want. I will keep it as it is. Click save. Click next now. So you can see the message, congratulations, network setup successfully, enjoy the internet. So that means our setup with the router is done. Let's try to connect some pages now. Let me open google.com. You can see, you can search something. Let's open YouTube. Yeah. Now let's check the internet speed. I have opened the speedtest.net. Let's click go. So I have an internet speed of around 75 Mbps. Let's see the speed. So you can see the download speed is 73 Mbps and upload speed is around 82 Mbps, which matches the speed which I am getting from my internet provider. So if you want to change the password or the ID of your router or do any router related settings, you can go to this URL http://192.168.0.1. You have to provide the password which you set earlier. Now you are on the router settings page, so you can do whatever you want here. So if you want to change the ID and password, you can set it here. Network name, password. So you have seen the unboxing and how easy the setup was for this router. For any router related settings, you can download this TP-Link Tether app for your mobile devices, which is available for both iOS and Android platforms. Now, whether to buy this product or not. So first and foremost, this is not an Indian product. It is made in China. I too was hesitant to buy this product initially. I did a lot of research in the market, but I didn't find any Indian brand which has the level of quality that TP-Links provide. So if you are only looking for Indian brands, this is definitely not for you, and you won't find it any in this moment. We may wait for a couple of years to buy any Indian routers. If your internet connection speed is below 100 Mbps and in future you don't have any plans to upgrade and you have a low budget, you can go for lower range Wi-Fi routers. You can even go for single band routers, which you can get it around 1500 rupees. I had a 75 Mbps connection at my home, but I'm planning to upgrade it to around 500 Mbps. So that's why I bought this router. As my speed is limited to 75 Mbps, so I can't test the maximum speed it provides. But I'm quite certain that it will reach its limits which it claims. It has a warranty period of 3 years, which I believe it's pretty good. Those who have a high speed in broadband connection like 300 Mbps or more, they can definitely go for this if they have a budget of around 4000 rupees. I even tried to open the office internal sites, which is in private VPN, and it was quite fast. So for uninterrupted work from home, I definitely recommend this router. I pretty much covered almost everything about this router. But if you have any queries related to the router, please do leave a comment. That's it from this video. Hope this helps you to buy a better router. If you like this video, please hit the like button and do subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos to come. Until next time, it's a bye from my side.